Tired of staring blankly at your school Chromebook during free time, dreaming of Roblox? Let's see if we can sneak in some gaming. First things first, open your Chromebook settings. Look for the gear icon in your app launcher or the system tray. Now, scroll down until you find Linux Beta. If you see it, you're in luck. Click Turn On. If it's not there, this method won't work on your Chromebook. Unfortunately, a window will pop up. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Choose a username and a disk size that you're comfortable with. Then, click Install. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, a terminal window will appear. Don't be scared. We're not doing anything complicated. Open your Chrome browser and search for Grapejuice GitHub. Click the first link to the GitHub page. Grapejuice is the tool that helps us run Roblox on Linux. On the Grapejuice GitHub page, find the installation instructions. They usually involve copying and pasting a few commands into the Linux terminal. Follow these instructions carefully, entering each command one by one, and pressing enter after each. After the installation finishes, you should be able to find and launch the Grapejuice application in your app launcher. Open Grapejuice and you should see the Roblox Login screen. Enter your Roblox username and password. And that's it. With some luck, you should now be able to play Roblox on your school Chromebook. Keep in mind, this might not work perfectly, and your school's IT department might block it eventually.